I was able to take the knowledge and then build my own portfolio at the end. So I really got to see how I can take my knowledge and build a whole website from scratch.
Hello everyone, my name is Roxanne and I'm a recruitment advisor at ITOL, and today I'm with Mahia. Mahia, can you please tell us a bit about yourself and what do you do for a living?
Hi, my name is Mahia, and at the moment I'm currently working for a tech consulting firm, and I work as a junior technology consultant.
And can you tell us, what did you do for work? What did you do prior to registering with ITOL?
So prior to registering with ITOL, I was studying. I was doing my post-graduation study, so my master's in computing and information systems. And after I finished that, I joined ITOL to do the web and development course.
Okay, and you did do the web and development, also known as the coding course, with us. So what made you decide to do this specific course?
So I was quite interested in like websites and how websites are built, and like the structure behind what it is that goes behind in building a website. So I wanted to look more into it, but I didn't have like the right experience when it came to coding, so I chose to join ITOL just to get that experience and the knowledge.
All right, and what did you enjoy most about studying with ITOL?
So I enjoyed mainly like the HTML and the CSS part of the course, where I was able to take the knowledge and then build my own portfolio at the end. So I really got to see how I can take my knowledge and build a whole website from scratch.
Okay, and what about the recruitment part? Did you enjoy it? Did you find it to be a difficult process?
The recruitment process was really good. I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed working with Roxanne.
Thank you.
So I think initially it was quite hard, but I think it's just like all processes. At the start it's quite hard, but the more you get into it, the more it becomes easy. So towards the end, I knew the whole process, applying for jobs, how to do it, tailoring your CV, and things got really quick and fast.
All right. And which memorable features shaped your journey the most?
I would say the biggest part that shaped it was the portfolio, as I've mentioned before. So really like building that website, it made me get like hands-on experience and apply my knowledge. So I really got to see how I can take my knowledge and apply it to the real world.
How would you say that we have helped you grow professionally or even personally?
So professionally, I would say ITOL has helped me develop my like technical skills, which is the most important part. So helping me develop like coding skills in HTML, CSS, Python, JavaScript, and really get to apply that in like a work setting in building projects.
And are you enjoying your new role?
Yes, I am. Yeah.
Okay.
It's quite interesting.
So Mahia, really well done on securing your new role, and it was such a pleasure to be part of the process of you securing your new role. So us at ITOL wish you everything of the best with regards to your new role.
Thank you.